Hey guys, how are you doing? So I was a little bit absent again from my YouTube. I was busy doing all kinds of things. A lot of things are going on. And with God, when you're on your walk with God, you never really know exactly, right, what's going on. So you're just following the Holy Spirit, and excitingly, the Holy Spirit told me that I should work on my Instagram. And so that's because basically I did have a very big page on Instagram before, but then I was attacked by the devil, and there was some strange activity going on that Instagram, and I just deleted that account and I had to restart the whole thing again. And it's been a huge pause for me. And knowing that I like photos, I like modeling, and I did a lot of modeling until, a lot of things started shifting and so on and so forth. But in these last few days, we were really working hard with the Holy Spirit, updating my Instagram and uploading the photos. And this is like a surreal experience for me because I don't know, you may think that, it's just Instagram, it's just photos, but try and check it out, because this was a supernatural experience for me, because everything that I posted everything that I uploaded there, the way that I uploaded it, like the colors, the pictures, the angles, everything was guided by the Holy Spirit. None of it was my self-righteous decision. Even if I tried to upload a picture by myself maybe once or twice, it just did not look good, it did not feel good, so I just gave that up right away. And I was just uploading it the way the Holy Spirit would guide me. Like, absolutely every single detail there is guided by the Holy Spirit, and it's just so exciting, and it's something that I've never done before, and I really like the result. This is, by the way, the same thing that was with the art that I do. The roses that I draw, all of them were guided by the Holy Spirit too, by God. The colors, everything there. It's just very exciting. And, we've been working hard, because in a few days we uploaded a lot of pictures. And we're still working, but God just said I should share this experience with you. So yeah, my Instagram page is listed on YouTube, so I will also post it under the video, the link. So definitely feel free to check our work out. I hope you like it. And yeah, like, the Holy Spirit is the best advisor in anything. So if you don't know what to do or how to do it, ask God, and you will have like the best option, the best, of the best. So this is the exciting thing that I was up to. Not only that though, there's a lot of things that are happening, but I hope that you guys are having a good time. I hope that everything's well. So please stay close to God, and yeah, I'll see you in another video.